The cargo truck cover is a very handy thing to have. It is lightweight and can be removed when you need to transport something large. Or, on the contrary, it can be put on if the cargo fears rain and snow. Tap on the when fallen trees or other obstacles appear on the roads after severe weather. Drop side trucks come to the rescue to remove them and make the roads safe for everyone. A pickup is a small but handy truck. At first, pickup trucks were used on farms in the countryside to haul hay, farm products, feed, and even animals. But then it was also loved in the city because it is comfortable for driving, and in the trunk you can transport furniture, building materials, things for tourism, and much more. And now we can finish construction. Tap the screen to keep building. Hooray! You've built a beautiful tiles. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Drop side truck. That's all. Have to assemble. Pickup truck. You're doing really great. It's time to fuel. Pickup truck. Don't stop. First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Done! Serrate the boards. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. next game. Let's wash. Pickup truck. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Covered truck. Keep it up. It's time to fuel. Covered truck. Keep up the good work. Let's finish the bridge and place the railing.